Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today's market update for November 2nd, 2020. We start the week with a bullish mode. Let's see where the market is heading to. Now we look at the SPY daily chart. As you can see here, after the market they pull back right into the buy zone, they bow up. So right now we really want to see that the market be able to keep the momentum to push it back to fill up the gap. That's where they drop down here. So overall we still have one more day so that we can know who will win the president. So that will set the tone for the next move. So right now at this moment the market is trying to put it back up, and the whole day they put it back up. So in the short term, if the market is able to clear the area here, we can have more room to the upside, and then we can see the market is able to keep the momentum in the upside or not. So depend who will win the election. They will give us more clearly where the market is heading to. So right now we have to wait until tomorrow to see what the result coming out, so that we can see the market is able to put it back up to the upside or not. Okay, so if you have been following me, so every day that I look at the chart, I analyze the chart so that I can tell where they are heading to. So right now it doesn't matter who will win the election. The market will find a way to put it back up. Either they do it in the triangle formation here, or they do the ABC formation there. So let's see, depend on who win the election, they give you the direction clearly where they're heading to. Okay, so if you look at the immediate SB 500 after hour, the market is able to push it back up. Okay, they find a way to go to the upside. So we're looking for the resistance at the moving average here. Okay, if the market be able to shoot it back up overnight, and then we'll watch out the result tomorrow with a more clear direction. If you are a day trader, today in our live trading room, when the market open, the market break down the resistance line, they punch through it. Okay, I'll be able to guide for our member to take some quick profit for the first hour of day trade. This is 20 point again in first 1 hour. That will be 20 point, $50 per point. That's $1,000 per contract. And then for some people that will be done for the day. And after I get out, the market will give me a little bit more room to push it one more leg up. So I just jump in and take a quick trade for $528, and then for the day after that the market is get racked down during the lunch time until the last minute, and then they be able to put it back up again. So look at a lot of stuff that we have been mentioned on the weekly market forecast. You see that the utility sector still hold up it pretty well, as you can see here. After they follow support, they run it back up, and RG, a couple of stocks in that sector here, okay, that we talk about the weekend. AEP, okay, they all move up nicely after they follow support. A lot of tech stocks that still have a trouble to going up, but seem like they hold up pretty well at the support line also. So we should watch out for tomorrow. Depending on who win the election, they will give you the direction for the next move. Okay, so Microsoft would also stabilize there, and Alibaba, which is a strong China stock, it also put it back up very strong. AMD also it found a support there. Let's see if they can hold it up. Okay, the financial sector, it's like we mentioned, they turn around and they try to find the way up. You know, like a couple of stocks here, KRE, right? JB Morgan. Okay, so right there, Goldman Sachs, as you can see, those stocks that we mentioned on the weekly market forecast, and they still doing pretty strong there. As you can see here, all of them are just trying to find a way to put it back up. The retail sector do show some kind of weakness, you know, so we let them stay outside for a little bit. But the construction sector is really doing well. Now you can see here, Catabella, okay, John Deere, they shoot it up, okay, right there, okay, EVA, okay, you see those things are just move very fast to the upside. Doesn't matter who win the election, those stocks they will continue to ram up to the upside. Right? You can see there they all push it back up. And the interesting sector that is CVX, it also the bottom out and try to find a way to put it back up. ExxonMobil, okay, it also try to put it back up. PFX, okay, it also back up. APA, okay, all the oil stocks they try to find a way to put it higher there. And the bio sector, J&J, Johnson, to fall back there, and MRK, it also find the support and try to find a way to put it back up. So you can see that doesn't matter who win the election, the market it will find the way to put it back up. Okay, how far they go up, we will see after the election. But one, they go by a triangle formation, and one guy win, they will go this way. If the other guy win, they will go ABC. So it depends on where they go. But so far, okay, look at the chart. They can see that the market is trying to push it back up to the upside, as you can see here. So if it can hold up at that level and continue to push up, and then we will come back up and retest the resistance into the upper bound here, and then we can see the market will continue and keep momentum to the upside, or they will turn around and go downside. We don't know yet. Okay, so nobody know, and that's why you need to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So every time we have a new video, we will alert you so that you can take a look to see where the market heading to. And if you would like to learn how to understand the financial market, how to trade short term for day trade as well as the swing trade, and by using the modern technical analysis, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.